Hello friends, this is our project demonstration and here we can see this is our first page and this is a student registration page. Here we can register students and after registration the student can go to the examination front page. So if a student enters their credentials like a roll number, phone, full name and course, then it will go to the examination homepage, and if we click on exit then it will go to the same page or back page. And if we enter details already, then we have to just log in there using that login page. And that will also go to the examination page. So if we select a paper, then it will go to the question page, and if we paper not updated, then no question paper will found the shows. And if the student already done that exam on that paper, then that will show exam already completed. And if we select collect paper, then it will go to the this. And if we click on the leave the exam, here some options we can using that. So here's some options: name, roll number, paper, and that is a counter. So if we select a question and click on save, that will answer will be saved and next answer will appear. If we go to the previous answer, then it will show answer will not shift. So student can get one chance to answer a question. And if we click on that, we exam homepage, and if we done exam, then shows exam already completed. So all that stuffs are for student and for exam, and using that they can students can only view these pages. So now we demonstrate about admin panel. So it is the admin panel, and we can log in here using Django admin username or password, and this is the then the admin panel will appear. And there's an options: add question, view question, view student results, generate marks list, etc., etc. So here is the add question page, and here we can add questions like here our CCA paper 2 question. Enter question details like here answer options and answers are there without through their options. And after adding question, that message will appear, and here we can show our question, and from here we can delete and edit our questions. That's all in this menu. And there is another is called student list, and here we can show our student results with their name with search options, and we can choose multiple number of entries in same page like 100, 5, 10, etc., etc. And we can search from this. This is made basically bootstrap data table module and Python backend. So that's all stuffs. Student results, we can here show student results, their answered questions, and many more things. Then the last option is for generating mark sheets. Here we can generate PDFs by using uh, examination date, and that will generate the PDF for with name of students and their corresponding their marks and courses. Here we can download or print our PDF directly using browser PDF rendering framework. And that's all things in our project. So we will start our coding part from next videos. If you have any query or suggestion, please comment on below. And thank you for watching this video. Please share this video and subscribe my channel by pressing the bell icon below for more new updates. Thank you.